At Cheetah, we don't chase trends. We build gear that earns respect. Introducing the Flipback FB series, made for real work, real weather, and real truck owners, featuring durable aluminum panels. Flush, low-profile design. Simple install, solid lock. No noise, no nonsense. To release, just pull the cable. The Cheetah Flipback's aluminum panels fold smooth, seal tight, and sit flush with your bed. The Cheetah Flipback stays upright with dual prop rods and a secure twist lock system. No bouncing, no shifting, giving you full bed access in seconds. Need quick access? The Flipback lets you lock the cover in a mid-open position. The Cheetah Flipback's heavy-duty panels support up to 300 pounds evenly distributed, without flexing, bowing, or giving an inch. Scratch-resistant, low-gloss finish. Sealed tight. Ready for anything. Cheetah FB Series Flipback tonneau cover is proudly built for Canadian roads and Canadian weather, where tough isn't optional. Easy folding, low profile, and all-season ready. Because your truck deserves gear that works as hard as you do.